Hello.
Uptown Swing, level 1.
6 count, Bryce.
And Val.
So we kind of started from the basics. The basics like walking. We did a step, 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 and then we sped it up. So we had step, 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 and then we put it into a pattern. Followers started with their right.
Leads left.
Yeah, and we did quick, quick, slow, slow. And it went like this. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Put that quick behind you for a rock step, so it's a rock step. Slow, slow, rock step, slow, slow. Then we added triple steps, and we practiced them at first with just these like scoots. This way, the other way. So we practiced that, and then we put that into our basic, and it looked like that with triple steps, and quick, quick, triple step, quick, quick, triple step, rock step, triple step, and so on. Practice that a bunch, that's your homework. Then we partnered up, yeah? In open position.
Offer your hands.
And followers, just put your hands there. We talked a lot about relaxing your upper body and your arms. And then we did that basic in this position. And rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step. Then we ended up in closed position, yeah? So we kind of like dropped this hand, and leaders floated in, and then they could also float back out, back into open, dance here. And then we did some turns, yeah? We started in closed position like that, and we did
do da
do ba da do da, and switch places.
Switch place.
And then you could dance here, and then you could float back into closed
Do whatever
position.
you want.
And do it again. Ba ba da do ba da do ba da. And we danced a bunch, and it was great.
Yay!